got 7, boy. Come on. Yeah, Shane.
Yeah, oh my God, that's good.
I think he forgets you're supposed to go here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Damn, homie. Ah.
You did better before.
This is the last one. I'm running out of batteries, Sam. So what the treat is, make it your best shot, boy. Not the wall, not the wall. Come on, man. Do something. Give me something. Do something right there, boy. Pussy. You damn pussy.